Welcome home to a place of peace and tranquility. This charming single-story house is nestled amidst the trees, offering a sense of escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. After a hard day, relax in this bright, cozy living room. A cozy living room awaits. Read on the couch or display valuables on built-in shelves. Simple, inviting kitchen awaits your culinary creations. Whip up gourmet meals in this spacious haven. Picture hosting soirees or cozy breakfasts bathed in morning light. Want a restful vacation? Lovely bedroom, nature illuminates this lovely region. Extra space and storage simplify life. Tired of being bored? Joyful workspaces inspire creativity and escape the everyday. Furniture for wandering thoughts and flying fantasies. Warm sunlight streams through the window of this modern home office, illuminating a sleek desk and ergonomic chair. A comfortable bedroom gets warm sunlight from 3 windows.